all about the gap between investment and outcome. So a lot of companies have billions to spend, but when it comes to ROI, they're still treating it like a gadget and not a journey. AI has to arrive with less friction and more delight, which would mean that our ROIs will show up when AI becomes like an operating system of travel. So for example, if you're going through a journey, you're anticipating delays and you have been offered an upgrade before the frustration comes in. If you adapt instantly when disruptions strike, the journeys will be smooth. Turning routines into revenue, and it's a good concept in terms of you automate check-ins, inquiries. You can do a lot of stuff with logistics as well, so that people focus on loyalty and upsells and complex during travel conversation, which means all your mundane tasks are getting addressed by AI. People are only involved when it comes to a complex situation. Early you react to a disruption is what makes you a better travel provider. When you have these disruptions managed through AI, will give you a better CSAT, reduce customer effort. The technology is actually ready. It's just the real question that we have is, are we going to digitize only the ticket counter, or we are looking at reimagining the entire journey with a lot of orchestrated intelligence? The ROI lives in the difference. Travel industry can combine EI, AI like nobody else. And the reason I say that is because travel is all about experience. If you make their experience better, they'll remember you for life.